Today, I'm going to help you finally settle the debate on how to pronounce Jira. Whether you're new to project management tools or you've been using Jira for a while, you've probably wondered if you're saying it correctly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pronounce Jira, and you'll have the confidence to say it out loud in meetings, client calls, or even just chatting with your colleagues. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need an authoritative source. So, we head to the Atlassian community. Atlassian is the company that created Jira, and their community forum is a great place to find official information and answers from people who really know their stuff. Support staff, product experts, and experienced users who live and breathe Atlassian tools. When you arrive at the Atlassian community, use the search bar to type in the question, "How do you pronounce Jira?" You might notice that other people have had the same question in the past. It's actually a pretty common point of confusion. For now, just focus on finding threads where community members have specifically asked about the pronunciation. Once you've found a post where someone is asking about how to say Jira, take a moment to look at who's responding. What's super helpful here is that responses from community champions or Atlassian staff are often marked with special badges or highlighted as official answers. These folks aren't just regular users, they're recognized for their expertise and helpfulness, which means you can trust their guidance. In one of these threads, you'll usually find a community champion, or sometimes even an Atlassian employee, giving a direct answer. For Jira, you'll discover that it's pronounced Jira, where the first syllable rhymes with beer or cheer, and the second syllable is a relaxed so it's Jira. There's no tricky G sound, and it's not JY-RA. This clarification is really helpful, especially if you've heard different versions floating around your office or online. At this point, it's a good idea to write down the pronunciation somewhere you'll remember. You might jot it down on a sticky note, add it to your personal wiki, or just practice saying it a few times out loud. It may feel a little strange at first if you've been mispronouncing it a different way. Don't worry, that's totally normal. Many seasoned professionals have had the same realization, just like when you learn the right way to pronounce a brand name or place. It takes a bit of repetition to let it sink in. Why does getting the pronunciation right matter? Well, it's more than just trivia. It's about clear communication with your team, showing respect for the product's creators, and sometimes even making a stronger impression during presentations. Imagine talking about Jira in front of a new client or at a conference. Getting it right means you sound knowledgeable and professional, not out of the loop. So there you have it. Next time you're discussing project tickets, assigning tasks, or giving a demo, you'll feel that extra boost of confidence knowing you've got the pronunciation locked in. It's Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any other pronunciation questions or suggestions, and hit subscribe to stay tuned for more practical tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.